Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so this is super exciting. I just got my Hobonichi order, and before you guys ask me about making this order, because I clearly said that I wasn't going to or hadn't yet, well, if there are a couple things that are for sure in life besides like death and taxes, is definitely me saying I'm not gonna order something like a planner or whatever and then subsequently proceeding to go do that exact opposite thing and order that planner. So that's kind of what happened with Hobonichi, and really it's not my fault because I blame all of you guys who have been showing all of your orders on Instagram, on YouTube, and like, what is a girl supposed to do? Okay, so don't come at me about it, all right? So, yes, this is actually really exciting because I made my very first order off the Hobonichi website. And previously, I don't know why I just like never even bothered to look there. I was just like, no, I should order from like the local stores or whatever, just thinking that the shipping or whatever, it just wouldn't be worth it, just based on like some comments here and there, and like not even going to check and verify myself. Yeah, that's probably not the smartest on my end, but whatever. So I was like, you know what, whatever, I'm just gonna go check on the website. I was like, I'm not ordering anything, I'm just gonna go look for funsies. And I realized that it's actually like not a lot more, or I don't even know if it's more to order from the Japanese site, even with the shipping, because when I order locally, like for example, a Hobonichi cousin is about $80 Canadian here, depending on the store. It's around $80 Canadian, and on the Hobonichi website, correct me if I'm wrong, but isn't it like 45 or something Canadian? I know a lot of you guys are in the States, but it's a lot cheaper, right? So like even with the $20 shipping fee, it was still cheaper. I mean, I didn't order like that much, obviously, because I just have one box. But yeah, so I was like, obviously I'm gonna order from the website. And that kind of also fueled me ordering. But yeah, so I'm kind of excited because I've never received one of these boxes before. I've never gotten like the freebies that Hobonichi offers. So I'm probably gonna end up ordering more next year, unfortunately, after this revelation. But anyways, okay, so let me show you guys what I got. So I mean, even with these covers, you can probably kind of see what I ordered. So I got another clear on clear cover for the weeks, because you can never have too many of these, and they fit obviously the Hobonichi Weeks, but also like the undated, or not the undated, the Kimbor dupe, which has a dated version as well as an undated version that I've shown like a bunch of times in different videos. I'll link the video up here. It's the AliExpress one, and they fit all of those perfectly. So yeah, even if you're not necessarily getting a Hobonichi Weeks, you could fit it on those covers. And those dupes are pretty inexpensive, I would say, because they're just from AliExpress, and they're amazing, amazing dupes. So go check that out if you don't want to order from Hobonichi. Okay, so the other cover I got was, I just wanted something with like some lettering, just because I thought it would be kind of fun. Because the color that I chose for the weeks is a little bit out there from the normal like black, white, whatever that I would choose. So I ordered this one. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the name, but I know this is not new. This is the older one from last year, I believe. And I know this year's was like that constellation-y type one. Is that the one for this year? I know, like the one with the animals. And I just didn't really like that one. I kind of like this one with like the lettering. I don't know why, to be honest. Like this is kind of cutesy, which is kind of outside my normal vibes. But I thought I would give it a go, and they're like so inexpensive, and a lot of these types of covers I can't find at the local store. So I thought I would give that one a try. And then I really only have a couple more things. Okay, so this one I'll open after. I'm really excited about that, but let me show you the other things. I mean, I'm not even gonna show you the pen, like obviously this is the pen that everyone gets freebies of, but actually one thing that I do want to say is a revelation that I just had or I didn't really have, I saw it somewhere, is that, so Hobonichi provides these pens with their planners, right? So clearly that means that like they think these are probably the best type of pens, or a type of pens that will work well with the Hobonichi. And so this is the Uni, I don't know, Jetstream, Uni, I know there's a whole bunch of types. I'm terrible at pens. I'm not a pen person, so I don't know. But Uni something. And I think the tip must be a 0.5 or something. And what I was gonna say is that I've been loving this one, which is the Uni Jetstream, and it's the 0.28 tip. It's really fine, and I love it, and like it doesn't smear, it doesn't whatever, like it's great on the Hobonichi papers. And then I saw somebody talking about this, and I was like, oh, that's why this one is so great, because I think that's like the type of pen you're supposed to use. No? Yay, nay? So this pen, I'll try the 0.5. I usually like a smaller tip, so I'm not sure about that, but I kind of like the colors on this one. I know some people didn't love it, but I really like it. Okay, and then, I mean, you guys can see what I got. Like, this color is just not usually what I would choose, but everybody's been, I was like debating between this and the yellow, and both colors aren't really up my usual alley. I'm like a black, very neutral type person. But the yellow was inspired my Traveler's Notebook, the blue Traveler's Notebook with like the yellow accents I love. So I was like really close to getting that one. And then I kind of have like slight regrets of not getting that one. And I got this one because like so many people were talking about it on YouTube, it feels like, and it sold out the quickest, I think, in the States and whatnot. So, frick, I'm always so influenced by people. It's terrible. And so I got this one. Okay. I do kind of regret it, but I don't know. Okay. And then this, I'm so excited because I can't find these in any local stores. So ordering from the actual Hobonichi website, I was like, oh my God, I need these, because for the longest time I was like, what is this? How do people find these? Because this is like the page marker, but it can also close your Hobonichi if you just keep like the weeks on its own. So let me show you. So, sorry, to explain this one. So this is the new color, light purple, and it's the mega version. It's so funny because in my last video, I was like, I'm not going to get another Hobonichi Weeks because I don't need it. And I'm definitely not going to get the Mega because I never used the back pages. And lo and behold, I got a Weeks and I got the Mega. I'm the worst. Why do you guys watch my videos? Oh. So I'll kind of explain why I got it, or where I think I'm going to use it for near the end of this video. But basically, this is the January start. It's the English version, and it's the Mega. This cover is like this linen-y cover. I really like it. The feel of the cover, I love. The purple is really pretty, and it is quite cute with this pink font, I gotta say. I'm not a huge purple person, but like it is really pretty. Do I kind of regret not getting a yellow? Sort of. But I just didn't know how bright the yellow was, and anyway, so I didn't get it. Oh, this is like that cute little pamphlet. I'll probably tuck this in my Hobonichi like ephemera journaling book, and I have a video on that book and how I use my Traveler's Notebook as well. I'll link it up here or down in the notes below, but I just kind of take random ephemera and I just keep it in that as like my journal, and I really like it. So like, how cute is that? So that's super cute. I think maybe they're trying to cut down on waste or something, or paper. Well, I'm not sure, because a lot of people got their covers in like the paper, which I assume was like trying to move away from plastic, but all mine stuff came in plastic, so I don't know. Okay, so enough rambling. So this is the English version, and I'm not gonna do like, I won't do a side-by-side comparison unless you guys really want to, but there's like a million videos already. I'm clearly late to the game. But yeah, I really like the English version, I gotta say. I know some people preferred like the Japanese, but I don't know, I kind of like being able to read the notes at the bottom. Like the little quotes and stuff. I mean, everything else is pretty much the same, isn't it? I think it's like pretty much exactly the same. Oh, I guess the one thing, like the main difference that I kept seeing was that here you can write down important dates instead of having the Japanese one, which I do like. And like some of these are, those are obviously in English. So I do like that. It has like the bajillion notes pages that I probably won't use. And then, wait, how do you actually use this? I guess you tuck, I guess you gotta put this, stick this down, right? And then put this in here. And then when you close it, I guess then you go like this and it'll, oh, that's pretty though, huh? Because like if I got yellow and yellow wouldn't be as cute as this purple and yellow. Hey, that's kind of pretty. Okay. Or could you do it this way? Because I was thinking of sticking this at the front because, you know, when you slide this into a cover, like you can't see that anymore, right? So if I like tuck this in at the front, would that be okay? Assuming it works the same way. Or not. Maybe it doesn't. I guess it doesn't. So I guess the only problem with that is that, oh no, duh, I'm so stupid. Okay. Obviously, if I put a cover on cover, it comes with a pocket already. I'm so dumb. Okay, watch this. Is that cute? It's kind of cute, right? Yeah, I kind of like that. Yes. Okay, so let me tuck that in because I think I like that. It's just kind of fun. It like changes up the cover a little bit, and like because I wasn't 100% sure about purple, kind of gives it a little bit of something else with the design on the cover. And I have seen the purple in like the new cover with the animals and whatnot, and I kind of like that one too, actually. I think if I had seen some pictures of it, I would have probably got that clear on clear cover too. But now that I know about this whole shipping thing, the cost on the website relative to the local stores, I'll probably make more orders next year, so maybe I can get it next year if I really wanted to. Okay, it's kind of tight with this cover, I gotta say, because it's a hardcover and it's a mega. Well, how do we feel about that? Kind of cute, no? I love the feel of it. It's so compact, it's smooth, it's like tight because it's the mega. I don't know, am I just weird? I like that. Do I like it? I think I like it. I think I like it. It's pretty cute. Okay, so then if I put this in here, clearly I don't watch enough Hobonichi videos, right? Is that what I do? I think so. Oh, cute. Love it, love it, love it. Cute? Yes, no, yes, no. Tell me. Yes, maybe. Okay, I'm freaking annoying. All right, so that's that one. Love it. And let me explain to you what I think I'll use it for in a little bit. Let me just show you this other thing that I got. Okay, so I found this cover and it was right up my neutral vibes, right? I'm not that into like the patterns and all that kind of stuff. I know a lot of people love those artsy ones. It's just a bit too much for me. Watch me say that and then like 2 weeks later I'll get one of those. But anyway, so this one really called to me. It reminded me exactly of the Filofax Saffiano, which I actually have. And let me show it to you while I have this one. Hold on. Okay, so here is this. Sorry about that. So here is the Saffiano, if you guys wanted to see. And the Filofax Saffiano, I mean, is the one that comes with like the little rings inside for personal size, but of course you could fit the Hobonichi. Now, what I didn't like about this is that it doesn't lay flat because of this ridge, and that like is highly annoying. But that's a zipper one, and so like clearly it's almost identical, right? Like even the patterns here are about the same, because this is supposed to be like a Saffiano too. And so this one, I would say, is a bit more textured. This one's much more smooth. And if you compare size-wise, It's definitely smaller, the Hobonichi, and I like that. And I also like the gold hardware, like the gold and black is really my vibe. And so I snatched this one. This one doesn't have the back pocket like it does in the Filofax. And maybe I'll do a detailed video of the comparison if you guys are interested. So this one just opens up like that. Let me just move this box. That's better. So that's what the inside looks like. Does it lay flat? Flat-ish, pretty close. And so it does have a little bit of a ridge, I guess with the zipper and stuff, you have to. And so it just really called to me. And this inside, I assume is not leather. Feels kind of like it. No, it's definitely not leather, I just smelled it. But I wanted this because I'm using this kind of like a wallet as well. So that's why I wanted to get something like this for the weeks. I guess with this, I won't be able to use both of them, but whatever. So I am all over the place, sorry. So this comes with like a 2 split pocket here. I don't really get that, but okay. Then has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 card pockets. So they're not all the way down, they're just the length of a card. You have a teeny tiny pen hole. So this pen hole is very slim. Like it definitely like nowhere near fits this. But I guess I could, for example, like even this clip doesn't really clip on, eh? So that's a very tight pen loop, so that's not great. I don't know if that's just mine or everybody's was like this, but this is a very tight pen loop. Like what the heck? How are you supposed to fit anything in this thing? Like I guess you could fit like the super slim pen, so that's teeny tiny. On this side, there's like a bit of a gusseted pocket, which is kind of nice. Another second pocket here. I wonder what that says. Then you, of course, have the zipper. And you could put coins. It's actually quite a big zipper, so that's kind of nice too. And the pulley on this thing is really small. I'm not sure why. You could put a little charm on it though if you wanted. And so then let me just see how it fits the Mega. I have seen in some videos where it's a bit tight. Oh, it's perfect, guys, it's perfect. I mean, obviously it would be, it's all by Hobonichi. So I have my cover on it, and it just slipped into the very back one really perfectly, and then there's still like that lining for a second pocket. That would be a tight pocket to keep anything in. When I go like this, it does feel tight, I have to say. See, like it doesn't close easily. And oh my gosh, actually it's too tight. It's really tight. Like I could not fit cards in here and have this in here. That is super tight. Okay, that's not good. So, I mean, it zips up, but that's without any cards, and I wanted to put cards in here. So that, don't love how tight it is. Maybe this was meant for more of a skinny, like non-mega version. I will put in some cards and check that out. Yeah, but I do like it. And what I could do is just not slip it in, which I really don't mind and don't care. And I could just use this as the cover, or like the clip holder, and then just tuck it in here and zip it up. And I like how it has like this hanging thing, so you could like take it on the go as a wallet too. So I really love that. Okay, so that was a bit long for this little unboxing, but hopefully you got something out of it, or likely nothing, because I'm just always rambling about nothing. Yeah, tell me if you guys ended up ordering. Oh, and I totally didn't explain what I'm going to use it for. I'll save that for a different video just because this one's getting a bit long. But subscribe down below, click the notification bell if you want to hear how I'm going to be using this little bad boy. All right, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.